A YouTube channel trailer is a real important piece of getting maximum growth and optimizing your YouTube channel for subscribers. When you have a good trailer, it can definitely convert a lot of the viewers that find your YouTube channel into subscribers. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step walkthrough on the most important components in crafting a great YouTube channel trailer to convert those viewers into subscribers. The YouTube channel trailer is simply a video that displays right on your YouTube channel for people that aren't subscribed to your channel as of yet. These trailers are a fantastic way to show your viewers what your channel is about, who you are, and why they should become a new subscriber onto your YouTube channel. Now, this isn't a difficult process, but it's definitely a few components that you want to add into your trailer. And in this video, I'll show you the most important keys to structuring a great channel trailer. Now let's get right into it. The first step is you want to welcome the viewers onto your channel and assure them that they've landed in the right place. And then you want to let them know the exact type of content that's going to be on your channel and exactly who is it for. And this is real important because the more that you can let them know that you're covering the exact niche and topics that they're looking for, the better chance you have right off the bat of obtaining that new subscriber. Now, after you've done that, this is when you go into actually speaking about yourself. Meaning the background and the topic that you're going to be speaking on, your experiences, your accomplishments, and letting them know why they should even be listening to you on this specific topic. You're essentially letting them know why they should subscribe to your channel and be watching your content. And then after that, you're going to let them know what they're going to get when they subscribe to your channel. What different type of topics you're going to be speaking on, what type of videos you'll be creating, how many times you'll be uploading per week or per month. And once again, all of this is just reassuring them that they've landed in the right place and you have the content and the topics that they're going to be looking for. And now the last part of the video is the most important part, and this is where you're going to give them the call to action. All right, so you're asking them if they like what they heard, if they like the content that you're going to be posting, then you're asking them to subscribe. Or you're reminding them to subscribe to your channel. Now, all these steps I've mentioned previously are important. This is the major key to ending your trailer, is you must give them the call to action and point them in the direction that you want them to take after they finish watching. And once you're finished with that YouTube trailer video, when you go to upload it onto YouTube, you will have the option of setting it either private, unlisted, or public. If you set the video as public, it's going to be shown on your YouTube channel among all your other videos. And if you leave it on unlisted, only the people that come to your YouTube channel will be able to see it in the trailer. Me personally, I like to leave mine unlisted. This way it just shows up for new potential subscribers when they land on my YouTube channel. And that's a simple way on how to create a YouTube channel trailer. Hope you got some value from the video. If you did, hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.